Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new visitor here, then please click the big subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have already subscribed, then a big round of thanks from my side. Now today I will be sharing the topic of English grammar, the articles, and I have shown the articles in different slides. So to learn articles you have to see all the slides and don't miss the video till the end. If you think it's helpful, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Begin with the first slide of this topic and see evaluation of the following sentences are given. We can see some sentences like dash European, dash unique, dash our, dash honest and dash poor. We have to put a, an or the. What we generally do by seeing the first alphabet, like European we can see E, we put an. Unique U we put an. Our H we put a. Honest we put a, and poor we put or a. Now see the result. What we generally do is totally wrong. The answer should be a European, a unique, and our, and honest, and the poor. I will be discussing about these in details in my later slides. Now moving on to the third slide. See, types of articles are given. The words are, an, and the are the three articles. We generally know this. Now, articles are of two types. First one is definite article and the indefinite article. Now, moving on to the next slide, we are starting first with the indefinite article. In case of indefinite article, they do not point out any particular thing or a person. Like a or an are the indefinite article because they usually leave the person or thing spoken of indefinite, means we are not very sure whom we are talking about. We are not laying any kind of stress. Now moving on to the next slide, we have got what we can see here. We have got the tips how we can write a or an before a particular word. So we can write a with a consonant or a consonant sounding word like a boy, a girl, and the example goes on. But when we are using u or u, like the sound like you, such word like European, union, useful, we generally put a. We don't put an. We should use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound like a, e, I, o, u, and the sound should be like a, e, I, o, u, or the vowel sounding words such as an, hour. When I am pronouncing our, I am reflecting on O, and H is silent here. An honest man, an honorable man, like this goes on. Now moving on to the next slide, we also put an before any abbreviations if the word begins with a vowel sound like MBA. When we are pronouncing MBA, first E is coming, then M. And we generally put an MBA, an NGO, an MA, and the example goes on. When we are speaking of any profession, we generally put a or an, like he is a doctor, my friend is an architect, I am a teacher. Now moving on to the next slide, what we can see definite article. Now definite article is something when we speak of a particular thing or a particular person, we are very sure about them, we are laying stress, right? And we are using the. The word the is called the indefinite article because it points out a particular person or a thing. Examples are like Rajiv saw the doctor, he wants the book, means he wants the particular book and Rajiv saw the particular doctor. I am emphasizing on the. Now moving on to the next slide. Here I have shared the tips where we should use the before a word. Like the general rule states that the first mention of a noun is indefinite and all the subsequent references to that noun are definite and it takes the. Like a girl is walking on the street. When I am mentioning a girl, that is not definite. That is obviously an indefinite one. But when the girl, I am telling in the second sentences, the girl is alone, I am emphasizing the girl itself who was walking on the street is alone. Now, we should also refer to people or objects that are unique or that is one. We should use the before it. Like the sun rises in the east and the example goes on. Now moving on to the next slide. What we can find? We can find that we should use the before any superlatives or any ordinal numbers. Like examples, this is the tallest building in our town. She is writing the last chapter of her new book. The superlative, the ordinal number, the tallest, the last chapter. Now the next one, we should use the with the adjectives to refer to a whole group of people. When we are speaking of some population like Indian, the Japanese, the Chinese, and the example goes on. The Indians enjoy the spicy food. It is referring to the whole group of people. It is referring to the population. She has given a lot of money to the poor. To the poor people, this is the whole group. She has given money. Now the next slide begins with we should use the for the geographical areas like rivers, mountain ranges, group of islands, canals, oceans, etc. I've given an example. I went for river rafting in the Ganga. We should use the before the name of any train like the Rajdhani Express, ship, the Titanic, rivers, the Ganga or the Nile, sea, the Arabian Sea, desert, the Sahara Desert, oceans, the Indian Oceans, religious books, the Bible, the Quran, the Gita, direction, the east, the west. We should always use the with the countries that have their plural names like the Netherlands, the Philippines. They are having their plural names. At that time we should always use the. In the next slide we have found that we should also use the before the name of any countries that include the words republic, kingdom or states in their names like the United States, the United Kingdom, and we can also find that we should always use the before any newspaper name like the Hindustan Times, the Times of India. Last but not the least, we can also find the before the well-known buildings and like the Red Fort, the Gateway of India, the Qutub Minar, and the example goes on. Now at the end I am giving you more examples like I have come without an umbrella. Have you cleaned the windows? I am emphasizing the particular window. I last met him a year ago. The earth moves around the sun. Because it is unique, the earth is also unique and the sun is also unique. And this way the example goes on. Hope you have liked this video and you have learned the each and every detail of the articles from my video very well. If you did, then let me know at the comment section below, and if you have watched my other videos, let me know how it helped you. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.